Damn, BT.
Know a couple shooters that hit you on the block. Ain't a janitor, but I hit you with a mop. Better watch your friends, they quick to turn the odds. And that bitch nigga will play you for a thought. Ain't no Star Wars, yeah, my shit go TikTok. Jumping in out the bendo like it's hopscotch. My nigga in the kitchen and he whipping in the pot. Watch me see him twirl, then he drop. Gotta cut the limo just to cut the top. They be like, geez, why you always hot? 2019, we shooting videos on yachts. Baby on the bike, he be doing 12 o'clock. And I'm clipping on you niggas like a dreadlock. And my team winning and we ain't gon' stop. Bad little cheese and she suck on my cock. Nigga want smoke with me, we blow him like a tree. You niggas can't compete with a young nigga like me. Niggas quick to call you brother, and they be the same niggas be undercover. I keep a lethal weapon like my name Danny Glover. While you niggas always hate, always talk shit, never say it to your face. Two bad bitches and they want a little taste. They sent me in the jungle with gorillas in the A's. Niggas wanna ride my way, I haven't dropped a tape. You don't like my music, but you can't escape. Especially when they play my shit in every state. I always chase the bag, I can never be late. Nigga want smoke with me, we blow him like a tree.